The graph of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c has its vertex at 3, negative 5 and intersects the y-axis at 0, 31. Find the values of the constants a, b and c. So first we can directly put these points into this equation. So y is equal to 31, so 31 is equal to x is equal to 0, so ax square becomes 0 plus x is equal to 0, so bx becomes 0 plus c. So the first value we have got is c is equal to 31. Now secondly we can find the derivative of this equation. So dy upon dx is equal to 2ax plus b. Now if we equate this to 0, we'll get 0 is equal to 2ax plus b. Now we know that we have the x coordinate 3, so we can just put x in this place, so we'll get 0 is equal to 6a plus b. Now we can move the b to the other side, we'll get negative b is equal to 6a. Here we have got our first equation. Now for the second equation, we can do that if we put negative 5 in the place of y. So negative 5 or y is equal to a into x, and we have 3 for x, so a x square, so a 3 square plus b times 3 plus 31. Now if we solve this, we'll get minus 5 is equal to 9a plus 3b plus 31. If we shift this 31 to the other side, we'll get minus 36 is equal to 9a plus 3b. Now if we took 3 common from all of these values, we'll get minus 12 is equal to 3a plus b. Now if we shifted this b to this place and then we shift minus 12 to this place, we'll get minus b is equal to 3a plus 12. So we have got our second equation here. Now if we equate both of these equations, the first and second, because both of them are equal to minus b, so minus b is equal to minus b, so 6a is equal to 3a plus 12. Now if we shifted this 3a, we'll get 3a is equal to 12 and a is equal to 4. Now if we put this a back into this equation, we'll get negative b is equal to 6 times 4, which is equal to and to remove this negative sign, we'll shift it to the other side, so b is equal to negative 24. So we have got our, so here is our a, b and c. So we have found the constants a, b and c. The b part suggests that the graph is translated by the vector negative 2, 7. Find the equation of the translated graph. So this minus 2 means the graph is shifted towards the left, so which means x plus 2, and the 7 means that simply the graph is translated. So in y we add 7, so y plus 7. Now we know the equation is y is equal to 4x square minus 24x plus 31. Now this and this part is x, so we simply just put x plus 2. So y is equal to 4 into x plus 2 whole square minus 24 into x plus 2 plus 31. Now this whole equation is equal to y, and we need to add 7 to y, so we'll just plus 7. So if we expand this bracket, we'll get 4 into x square plus 4 plus 4x minus 24x minus 48 plus 38. And now if we multiply this, we'll get 4x square plus 16 plus 16x minus 24x minus 48 plus 38. And now if we solve these, we'll get the final answer as y is equal to 4x square minus 8x plus 6. So this is the final translated